1962 Triumph TR3A. Price, $19,950. Location, Texas. The 1962 Triumph TR3A is the kind of classic British roadster that instantly captures attention with its timeless proportions, lightweight body, and unmistakable vintage personality. Finished in vibrant signal red with a matching red interior, this open-top sports car delivers the authentic driving experience enthusiasts dream about. From the iconic wide-mouth front grille to the chrome bumpers and luggage rack, every detail reflects the golden era of British motoring. The aggressive yet elegant styling of the TR3A helped make it one of the most recognizable sports cars of the early 1960s. The black convertible soft top and white tonneau cover add extra visual contrast while giving drivers the freedom to enjoy true open-air cruising. Chrome accents surround the exterior beautifully, while the 15-inch silver-painted steel wheels with Triumph Globe hubcaps complete the vintage appearance perfectly. The heart of this classic machine is its 1,991 cubic centimeters inline four-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Equipped with dual SU carburetors, the TR3A delivers a raw and engaging driving feel that modern sports cars simply cannot replicate. Front disc brakes provide improved stopping power, while the lightweight chassis and responsive steering make every backroad drive exciting and unforgettable. The cabin continues the vintage British sports car charm with red bucket seats trimmed in white piping, matching carpets, and coordinated door panels. The 3-spoke banjo-style steering wheel, Jaeger and Lucas instrumentation, and floor-mounted shifter create an immersive analog driving experience. Additional touches like the dashboard-mounted rearview mirror, dual chrome side mirrors, passenger grab handle, and practical storage compartments make the interior both stylish and functional. The wide-mouth grille design remains one of the TR3's most famous features, originally engineered to improve airflow during spirited driving. Today, it gives the car a bold and aggressive face that collectors instantly recognize. Combined with its strong mechanical condition, classic British heritage, and unmistakable roadster styling, this Triumph TR3A stands out as an exceptional collector car ready for weekend drives, car shows, and vintage rallies.